just making food. All right, Jolene, let's waste no time because I am so excited and I cannot hold all of my patience in.
Yeah, let's open it.
All right, here we go. Look, it looks so cool. I'm so excited. Oh my god. All right, let's do this.
Wow.
What's this? Is this showing what we got?
I have no idea, Ruby.
Wait, tiramisu? Oh, it's not. It's just a menu.
Oh.
And look, whatever we get, we can make it. This is gonna be so fun.
I choose this one. Waffle balls.
Wow. Let's open the second one. Rocky Road ice cream. This is my favorite ice cream.